while we are waiting for the heat to exert its effect on our mungus beans, let me tell you a little bit of what I learned about heat. Are you aware that heat can make another form of matter transform into another form of matter? For example, we heat up our sugar granules to produce the sweet, gooey, yummy caramel liquid that we'd like to top on our cakes and plants. Isn't it nice that our moms can make homemade caramel topping for our ice cream anytime? So let's check on our mango beans. As you have seen, when the water started to boil, the mango seeds started to move too. And as the water became hotter, shown by the formation of little bubbles, the movement of the mango seeds became faster too, and they started to move upwards. This is because the water with seeds at the bottom gets heated first, so they move and rise up to the top. The cold water on the top will go down and be heated too. When the fluid is evenly heated and all the mango seeds are heated, they will all float up on top of the pot. That is termed as convection. The heat is transferred from one place to another by movement of fluids. This occurs when warmer areas of liquid or gases rise to cooler areas. Here, you can see that the beans are on top of the liquid already. That means they are all evenly heated. So, that's all folks. I hope you enjoyed another one of my science